Hi, I'm Chad. Today we will be talking about email formatting and how you can add further articles from the content library or a link or video URL into an email. Boma's email editor allows you to add content directly from the content library into an email template that you are creating. Under the Rows tab, click the drop-down menu and select Add Content from Content Library or Website URL. Selecting the Content Library option will open up the content library, allowing you to select the article that you would like to add. You can filter through the different content using the global categories, selecting a specific library, or simply by searching a name. Selecting the website URL will allow you to paste a web or video link, which Boma will then create different formats as to how you want to inject and display the link. Once you have chosen one of the formats that you would like to use, you can click and drag it into the email template. This method is often used for a wider newsletter and email campaigns. If you would like to learn more about how you can add further content to your template or campaigns, you can view our user guide articles or simply chat to our team using the chat symbol to the right-hand side of your Boma account. Thank you so much, and bye for now.